Understanding Iguana scales, an English phrase explained. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase, Iguana scales. Whether you're an English language learner or just curious about unique phrases, this video will help you understand the meaning and usage of Iguana scales in English. Let's explore this phrase together and enrich your vocabulary. Iguana scales refers to the external covering of an iguana, which is a large lizard found mainly in Central and South America. The phrase is often used to describe something that is unusual, unique, or stands out due to its distinctive pattern or texture, much like the striking scales of an iguana. This phrase is a great example of how English often uses animal characteristics to describe objects or situations. Now, let's look at some examples of how to use iguana scales in a sentence. 1. Describing appearance. The designer's new fabric pattern is as unique as an iguana scales. 2. Highlighting uniqueness. Her style of painting is as distinctive as an iguana's scales in the art world. 3. Making comparisons. In a sea of conventional designs, his bold approach stands out like an iguana's scales. These examples show how the phrase can add vivid imagery and creative flair to your language. English language is rich with animal metaphors and similes. Understanding these can not only help you with specific phrases like iguana scales, but also give you insight into the cultural aspects of language learning. Animal metaphors are often used to convey complex ideas simply and memorably. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, iguana scales, and its usage in English. Remember, exploring unique phrases like this can make learning English fun and engaging. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to add some creative expressions to your vocabulary. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.